So how does Thesis2 do this hyper customizability? Well, this customizability starts with a skin. Now, a skin is a collection of templates and a set of styles. And both templates and styles are skin dependent. That means one skin has one set of templates and styles, and another skin has another set of templates and styles. And a template is essentially the structure of a way of displaying your content as a web page. So it takes something that you enter into WordPress, something that widgets you might put together, and that kind of stuff. It takes all those things and arranges them on a page. So it creates a structure and includes some little content placeholders, and it takes your content, sticks them in those placeholders, and displays them as a page. That's what a template does. And the styles is the thing that styles or makes the page look a certain way. So it gives height and width to the template structure, for example, and then it also adds colors and backgrounds and font styles and all the rest of that kind of stuff to the content. Now I'm going to show you an example of this here on this website. Okay, this is created using the front page template. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn the styles off entirely. And as soon as we turn off all of the styles, this is what the page really looks like. Right? It's just a series of HTML stacked on top of itself. So there's its menu, there's our little slider, here is the some widget text and some regular text, and then pictures and that kind of stuff. So this is the template without the styles, and this is the template with the styles. Somebody asks me what is the Firefox plugin that I'm using for this. This is Web Developer, and I have a whole series of videos on how to use this stuff under Tools of the Trade. So that's essentially the relationship. You have the template that lays the content out, and you have the styles that style the template and that style the content. And these are the two parts of a skin. So what's the difference between a Thesis2 skin and a WordPress theme? Well, all WordPress themes are collections of templates and styles. Right? It's not unique to a Thesis skin. Every single web page every web page that has any style associated with it anyway, is a combination of a template and a set of styles. And so a theme, a regular old theme, is a set of templates and a set of styles wrapped up inside of a theme. Well, Thesis2 takes Thesis2 as its theme and adds to that the skin. And it's those two things in combination that are actually equal to a full theme. So the skin can't ever stand alone, right? Typical WordPress themes are installed with the theme installer, and they can stand alone entirely. They don't need anything else added to them in order for them to work on WordPress. Whereas a Thesis skin needs Thesis to be installed in order for the Thesis skin to work. So in that regard, a skin is kind of like a child theme. But not exactly, because it's not installed using the WordPress theme installation. And we're going to talk about how to install skins and installing Thesis here in just a minute. But the difference between Thesis and other themes is that Thesis exposes both the templates and the styles inside the theme for you to edit. Right? Most themes they have a collection of templates, but the only way for you to edit them is to break out a code editor, open up their template files, and type your own code. Right? That's not the way Thesis works. Thesis gives you the opportunity to change those template files by dragging and dropping things around without ever having to open up a code editor to edit anything. And the same thing is true with styles. Generally speaking, if you are going to change the styles in a theme, you have to open up its style CSS file in your code editor and type your new CSS code in there. Whereas with Thesis, if you want to change a style, primarily what you do is drag and drop stuff around and change some settings, and that's what changes the style. So That's really the fundamental difference between the Thesis2 theme and typical WordPress themes, is that it exposes the templates and the styles for you to edit easily.